Alright, so today we have a 2016 Mazda 3 that we're actually going to program an additional key. They have one current key that works the vehicle right now, and the car is on, so therefore it's not signaling. Let's turn that off. Okay, here we go. It's turning on, but this one right here is not programmed, so we're going to program that. So we're going to go to Mazda. Here we go. And it is a Mazda 3. And it is a 2016, so we're going to go Prox 13 Plus, add a key. I'm going to push that button twice to turn the car on. Total keys are 2. Now, something you should know is when you actually want to program a key to these cars, if you have a car that has 3 buttons, make sure you get 3 buttons. If you have 4 buttons, you use 4 buttons. Do not interchange them, because you will wind up messing up your car. I mean, it could work and it'll program to the car, no problem, but you might just see some security lights and things like that, you know, that you don't want onto the car, and it just won't work properly, and you'll just be very, very annoyed, and your customer might be annoyed. So the cluster turns on, so we're going to click yes, and we're going to use their new key right now. So let's take this, and it says hold the emblem side of the key, which is right over here, onto the start stop button, but don't push. And then press and release the brake pedal repeatedly after you click continue. So we're going to push continue, and then we're going to push the brake button a bunch of times. So let's try that right now. We're going to push continue and hit the brake button a bunch of times. There we go, and it went into the car. Would we like another key? And the answer is no. So it's going to tell us to put the emblem of the key right over there, then press the brake pedal and start the car. So that's what we did. And now we're going to stop. And then we're going to take her original key and do the same thing. Put it right there. Start the car. Just so you know, the car reads everything. And that's it. Now we're going to click exit. Saving all the information, making sure everything works. This is her key that was working before, and it's still working. And this is the new key that we just programmed, and that is also working. We're just going to go cut that insert key, and we're all done. Thank you so much for watching.